Again, you're about to come on a journey and experience the absolute beauty of cooking. Today, we're going to be smoking some ribs, but I must warn you, I actually have never done this before and I don't know what I'm doing. Watched a shit ton of YouTube videos myself, so I went and brought some ribs, brought a cheap smoker. I'm going to give it a crack, give it a go, and hopefully they turn out alright. And I just spoke to the butcher and he just gave me one of his rubs. Don't know what's in it. Hopefully it's not laced with anything. Bit of salt, bit of pepper. Bit of salt, bit of pepper, and we should be good to go with them. Got the smoker on, it's up to temperature.
Stop going in there.
And she's smoking. Got the hot rocks in the bottom here with hickory, hit the hickory wood. And we've got some, well, water goes in that section. So we're about to put the ribs on. Let's do that now and get that done. Hold that for me. Oh, I'm not too fast, to be honest with you. Oh, I don't think we're going to fit all four of these on, eh? We might be in a little bit of trouble. If we can't, I'll just have to put the second rack on.
Right, just manoeuvre the other.
You reckon?
Yeah. Yep, nearly better.
Right, as you can see, just got those on the smoker now. God, they look good. The wife's going to take some photos. And yeah, first world problems when you having trouble fitting them on the smoker themselves. Whew. Can't wait. Oh, looking forward to it. See you in a bit.
3 hours later.
3.5 hour check-in. Have a look. Check it out.
What?
Oh. Woof. Have a look out at that, will ya? Looks like we're in luck for some ribs tonight. Welcome to the 4 hour. Right. I've just probed the ribs. They're about 100 and I think they were 190 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. I'm looking for about 200. But I'm just about to wrap them. I've got a bit of butter in each one because I've got 4 ribs. Why am I putting butter in it? I actually have no idea. No, it's put a bit more juice in there, I think. Don't quote me on it. Go onto the YouTube and have a look. That's some professionals. All right, let's get these suckers out. Maybe wear heat-proof gloves because they're not heat-proof. And as I go, I'm just going to quickly baste them with some Texan-style barbecue sauce. Get these suckers. Get them all. Look at that. Holy heck. Seriously. Oh, I'll give you a shot of this, wrapping this one. And this is food grade wood, by the way. So there's no need to worry about that. We'll get these wrapped up the side, straight over. Right, straight down. Alright, that's number one. We'll get the other 3 done. And we'll come back to you. Right, all the little parcels of joy are all bundled up. nice and snug. Back in the cooker. Now I'll probably leave them an hour or two, depending. I will check the temperature, but when they get to about 200, maybe a little bit over, that'll be when they're done. And see you then. We are done. We've reached the temperature of, what is it? A little bit over 200 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using American temperatures because they're the ones I've watched. You take them out, let them rest and sit. Then we'll come back. Then we'll cut one open and show us what they're like. Hopefully we might even surprise ourselves with a good one. Right, the final step of the process prior to eating is to check them. We've had them resting now for about half hour?
Yeah, yep.
About half hour. Woo. I'm a little excited. Let's take this up. Let's cut one open. Oh, get through that. Oh, that was a bit of bone. Look at that.
That is juicy.
That is just, whew. Juices are flowing with this one. Holy heck. Oh, you even see the smoke ring. Just around the edge. Oh, I think these are all mine.
We don't need any more. Go put them fishies back. Look at them back.
Mmm.
And I've cooked them all.
Yummy.
I cooked them.
You can come back up here. But that is not all. While I'm sucking my fingers. If you hang around, we'll do dessert as well. Ah, ribs with a bit of salad.
One hour later.
But I want to put in the top.
Probably brands. Alright, dinner is done. Dessert. And if you're still with us, fantastic. Great. Got my little helper here.
Hello.
Great. Right. This is I don't know what to call it. Just kind of making them as we go. Just like we did with the ribs. Kind of guessed.
I feel alright.
Yeah, that's okay, mate. That's alright. We'll pick that up and put that back in a minute.
I'll do it.
First, what we're going to do is we're going to make like the first one's going to be like an apple crumble.
Oh, that's hot.
It is, yeah, don't touch the fire, it's hot, mate. Like an apple crumble. So we'll start off with that one. Give it a spray. I didn't say. Jaffa lines. Jaffa lines. I can tell you now, I haven't used one of these in a very long time. I actually can't remember the last time I did use one. So, cracking on. We're going to use puff pastry for these. And I got this idea from Harry from Fire to Fork, from a Ronnie Dahl episode. So I thought it was a great idea, and well, why not give it a go? So first things first, puff pastry, whack that in, cut it to size, get that done. This we'll do the other one as well. Oh, hang on, almost forgot. What's my helper doing? Give it a spray. Don't want it to stick. Alright. first things first with the crumble. This is the crumble mix. Now it's
Oats,
oats, third a cup of oats, third a
Sugar.
cup of sugar,
butter, and
third a cup of flour, and it's bound with a bit of butter in there. Oh, that might have sunk. That might have sunk. Oh, just winging it. Just go with the flow, eh? So we're going to put let's go with a generous amount in there, or a bit in there, a bit in each one. Right, once that's in there, we're going to go the apples. Tinned apples. If you've got fresh apples, give them a whirl. Spoon those in there. Don't need any sugar. Obviously, I said that before. It's in the crumble.
And I'm gonna put Nutella on it.
And these, once cooked, will be served with cream. Actually, no, custard. And we got a bit of custard. Feel free, chuck it in or on top once it's cooked. Trying to get this bad boy out of here. Bit of custard in there. Put a bit more well, not breadcrumbs. Bit of this stuff on there. All right, we're filling up now. Filling it right up. My eyes might be bigger than my belly. All right, straight over the top, just like that. Oh, I hope these turn out. We'll save that one over there for later. Rightio. Clamp these ones together. Oh gosh. Number one, ready to go. Crack on with number two. Ah, we've got the pastry in there. Right, now I'm going to go a bit of Nutella. Bit of Nutella in there. So quite a bit of Nutella. If you love your sweets, this will definitely be for you.
Okay, do some
Now,
in that one.
I've got some Oreos. I'm going to crush them up.
I'll do it in that side.
Yeah, okay, that's cool. So I don't know how these are going to turn out. But the kids can be the testers for these ones. Leave a bicky in there. Yeah. I'm going to put a bit of custard in this one as well. Custard goes well with everything, I think. Squeeze that in there. Let's grab a dollop, yeah. Fill it up a bit higher. Make it a bit of a mess. Like some in there, Izzy. On that one there.
They're a bit big.
That's okay. One last dollop of Nutella. My oath, oh jeez. This one's going to be a cracker, this one. Alright, last. Straight over the top. Cooking time, don't know. Just going to check it throughout the cook over the next sort of few minutes. But either way, I'm sure the kids are going to love this one. Let's move some. Move some of those out of the way. And let's go. One there. And one there. sorting this out. Right. Let's unveil these masterpieces. Now, time-wise, it was a few minutes. I kind of checked them as I went. Oh, bit of black there, but black's okay. You want black. Oh, there we go.
Oh, it smells so good.
Just don't step down there. Take this one out and then we'll cut them open. Whoa.
Whoa, that was cool.
Yeah. Rightio. Shall we? It's not disappointing. This way? Or that way, you reckon?
No,
that way.
no triangles, yeah.
I bet that's the custard. With
Oh, that puff
that's
pastry, seriously.
To the crunch.
That's the Nutella. Ah, that's hot.
Look at that. Get that up ya. Yeah, moving that one out the way. We'll do this one now. I think this is a different one.
That's the apple crumble.
Yep, that's the apple crumble. Oh, get a load of that. I don't need to give you a recipe. You kind of just make it up as you go. If you've got any tips or tricks, that's it. Tips or tricks as far as smoking goes, feel free. Let us know in the comments. Minimum twice. You're a pro if you've done it a minimum twice. This is my first guy. If you like what you see, be sure to give us a thumbs up and maybe click the subscribe button there. Enjoy.